May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
I am Muskan Keshawani.
Muskan Kesarwani. And what's your name?
I am Unnati Keshawani.
Unnati Kesarwani. Okay. Muskan, your code is 27A and Unnati, your code is 27B.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Muskan, please tell me something about yourself.
I am Muskan Keshawani from class 12 maths. I belong from New Market, Bhalwari, Kaushambi. I live in nuclear family with my parents and my two elder brothers. My hobby includes singing and dramatics. I want to be an engineer and my parents are my role model in every aspect of my life. My strength, I am self-motivated.
Okay. Very nice. My blessings are always with you. And now, Unnati Kesarwani, please tell me something about yourself.
I am Unnati Keshawani from class 12 Humanities, and my hobby is listening a song and reading a book, and my aim is serving our nation as an IS officer.
Okay. Which kind of songs you listen?
I love to listening a song in like old songs.
Okay. And your ambition of life is
IS officer.
you want to be a
IS officer.
IS officer. Thank you. And dear students, this is our next task, that is topic presentation. Okay.
Yes.
Muskan Kesarwani is going to tell us about her topic. When Muskan Kesarwani will finish her topic, Unnati, you will ask some questions and also I will ask some more questions.
Okay, sir.
So, are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Let's begin your topic.
Now I take this opportunity to talk about adolescence and its challenges. Adolescence is a period of transition when the individual changes physically and psychologically from a child to an adult. All of us undergo this stage which poses many challenges and is full of excitement. It demands adjustment to the physical and social changes. The adolescence due to these changes faces a number of crises and dilemmas. The adolescence in Indian society comes under brahmacharya. In this ashram, children learns about the basic skills in relation to their future as a responsible adulthood. In this phase, 13 or 14 years, this requires a strong and tough bonding with their parents. When we come to this world, we are completely dependent upon others, but gradually we learn to be independent. For example, adolescents wants to enjoy movies, but their parents first prefer to come and study fast. That's all.
Your topic is very nice.
Yes.
Adolescents and
And the
their
challenges.
problems,
Yes.
their challenges. Have you read the diary of Anne Frank
Yes, sir.
in class 10th standard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. She expressed her feelings
Yes, sir.
about a 13-year girl.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, are you ready for that? For questioning?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to ask questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, Muskan, tell me please, how do you manage your problem during the adolescence?
Well, Unnati, we can manage the problems during adolescence by draw up a future plan for our life. And second thing, we can also manage these things like first to know your values, what you are, what you believe in, what is wrong and right in your life, and be a assertive person and a decisive person in life. That's also.
Yeah.
Okay. Muskan, can you tell me what are the problems? What are the problem of adolescents?
So, if we talk about health issues like injuries, unintentional injuries are the leading cause of death and disability among adolescents, and violence, and moreover, like alcohol and drugs consumption and tamaku, these are the sounds.
Okay, very nice. And now Unnati Kesarwani is going to tell us about her topic. When Unnati will finish her topic, Muskan, you will ask some questions,
Okay, sir.
and also I will ask some more questions. So, are
Okay,
you
sir.
ready for that?
Yes, sir.
So, please tell us about your topic.
I am feeling privileged in thanking for giving me this wonderful opportunity to say about corruption in India. Corruption is a form of dishonesty or criminal offense undertaken by a person or organization for our private gain. It is a various form of corruption. It can vary, but it may include like trading, influence, nepotism, etc. In
Okay.
corruption can facilitate criminal enterprises like drug trafficking, human trafficking, and misuse of government power. And there are the various causes of corruption in India. For example, greeding of money and power, and inequality, and low level of education, etc. And there are the various effect of corruption in India. Its effect reflect on social, political, and economical aspect of life.
Okay. Unnati, Muskan,
Okay, Unnati,
would you
can
like to ask questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what are the effect of corruption in India?
Yeah, Muskan. There are the various effects of corruption in India. Its effect reflect on a social, political, and economic aspect of the life. For example, in the political level, it weakening the democratic reforms and spreading mistrust in the rule of law. And in the social level, it increase the gap between the rich and poor of our society. And in the
Okay,
social
Unnati, where you can see corruption?
we can see the corruption in everywhere. For example, medical facilities, and there are the very common example like in education.
In school also?
Yes, sir.
Where?
In a school, there are the many teachers. There are the many teachers who open their private coachings
Coaching
and is exploit the students.
Okay, very nice. Thank you, students. This is our next task. Now we are going to provide you an information about a problem. Okay. Dear students, now I will give you an information about a topic, about a problem. Both of you will discuss about the problem, and you have to tell me the solution.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So, like this is a problem. Okay. You have to read the problem, and as a student, as a person, which kind of suggestion you can give?
Okay, sir. During summer, when there is scarcity of water, you notice that your immediate neighbors use water liberally to wash their vehicles and their front yards. Discuss with your partner what advice you would give to them. And what do you think, Unnati? I think I would advise them to use the wet cloth and sponge instead of running water for the same, and we can talk to them and take to those areas where water scarcity take place and show them the situation.
Yes, Muskan, I am agree with you because water is the most important
Yeah.
thing in our life, and we should conserve it also.
Yes, sir. And we would also make them aware about the limitation of the source of fresh water, and what will be the consequence if we use continuously the fluence of this water like this.
Yeah, Muskan, I am agree with you because many people know the importance of water, but they cannot
Yeah.
stop to wasting that.
Yes,
sir.
Muskan. Will you think your suggestion will be
Yes, sir,
effective?
of course, sir, because here is a requirement of this is really a effective problem that of water scarcity.
Okay.
And so we can also take some extra measures like rainwater harvesting,
Yes.
and we would encourage them to water rationing so that they can use it judiciously.
Okay. Very nice.
Yes, sir.
This is the stop now. This is the end of your assessment. You have done very well. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, and have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.